Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You guys are tuned into the Market Beast edition. Your fellow compadre is speaking. Guys, we're going to take a really deep dive into this Microvision stock. I think I have underestimated the potential of this stock. Guys, I have a bullish price target that you don't want to miss. Stick to the end. You're probably not going to believe me, but yeah, we're going to go over all those details here in this video right now. If you are just joining us, welcome in. It's really simple how we understand the charts. We look for support, resistance, and patterns to determine the market's direction. That's it. So we ask that you just subscribe if you appreciate the content. Of course, hit the notification bell to be alert and where we see the markets going before it happens. We actually sent out a notification December the 1st on this stock when it was about $2.30, saying that it potentially has broken out into a very bullish in trajectory to the upside. So stick around for that. Support the channel, guys. Leave a comment, leave an appropriate thumb. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. We really appreciate your support, guys. Let's not waste time. Let's get into this MVIS bullish price prediction that I have, and let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's December the 15th, 2020, and the previous close of MVIS is going to be $4.21. It's up about 34.5% for the day, okay? Now, guys, I know that I'm probably saying, some are saying that, oh, you're just saying that there's a bullish target because the price is up 34%. No, I'm just going to entertain this fact. I'm actually expecting some sort of retracement. We're going to get into all those details. But first, let's start here on the 3-month charts. You guys know I keep it macroscopic, okay? So the first thing that I want to say is MVIS has only been in an uptrend from 2014 to 2020. I'll prove that for you guys here right now. In 1996-ish, it went up. And of course, when you're looking for higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, that's basically what you're looking for, higher highs and higher lows. So you can see how the trend went up, went down, found a higher low, went up, went down. So yeah, it trended up for 2000. This is the 2000.com bubble here. It reached as high as $550. And ever since then, it's never made a higher high. It's been completely walking down the stairs, never made a higher high ever since 2020. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully the chart isn't too, it's skewed there. All right, let's see. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. So this range here, it was in an uptrend. Okay, 2004. And sorry, 1996 to 2000. Okay, this is actually important, guys. Stick with me to the end because this is relevant information. I'm going to really break this down, and I think there's going to be like an aha moment at the end of the video. So stick with me here. So it's only been in an uptrend for 4 years when it came out, 96 to 2000, topped out at about $550. Yes, good. Okay, so the reason that I bring that up is because ever since it topped out in 2000, it's been going down. So basically, since 2000, when it topped out about $550, it's been in a downtrend, okay? So let's just go on over to our pattern. And again, guys, it's going to make sense here. Just kind of stick with me here. So since 2000 up to present day, the price action, we've already verified that the price action was confined within a bullish consolidation range. If you notice here, this 3-month candle broke down within this pennant. So it's kind of a pennant, this pattern here where it was kind of fighting up and down, trying to break below that box, but couldn't, trying to break up until it has a successful break above on the monthly. Okay, these are the 3-month candles. I still cannot say this is an official break above because there's still 15 days to close on this candle. Is it likely to break down and get back within this box within 15 days? I'm not sure, guys. I have to let the price action determine that. I'm just here to provide the technical data, and technically, it is not an official breakout yet. Okay, so stick with me here. This is a 9-year bullish consolidation starting in October 2011 until present day, assuming that this is an official breakout. Okay, I'm bringing this up because if the price action has been trapped within a 9-year bullish consolidation range, and the actual price topped out in 2000, just shortly thereafter the short-term uptrend starting in 1996, then think about it. The price has been going down for 20 years, yes, since 2000, but it's been in a bullish consolidation for half the time. What does that mean? That's when I come back to the charts. And I just kind of take an overall look of this, the price action between, let's just say, 1996, and just kind of, if you can like see this price action here, excuse me, what I'm going to do is try to find an area of interest in the price action in between just this price action here between 1996 all the way up to about 2010. Okay, so that's 16-year window of however many it is, that window of price action. I'm going to see if I can find a relative area of interest, and I could just look at this chart again, 3-month candles, and I'm gonna put a line, I'm gonna put a horizontal line just to outline the area that has the most activity. And I'm going to say it's probably going to be somewhere around here, okay? Like somewhere around it, like 37-ish, okay? And the reason that I say that is because check the multiple touch points or the price activity on this $37 line. Hopefully you guys are with me here and you're getting this, okay? Here in 1997, $37, clustered price activity. Here in 1999, it was a wick right at that level. And you see it came back down to 2037, clustered of price action, had a really nice bounce, came right back down to that line, wicked at that level, broke below that level, came back up. And I think you guys can see that, like, there has been 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6, 7 touch points, price activity at this level. So why am I bringing this up? Because the price topped out 20 years ago in 2000, okay, at $550. So I think it's safe to assume if it topped out 20 years ago and there's been a bullish consolidation for almost half the time, I think the practical place for the price to return will likely be the area in which there was a lot of price activity during or within the first 16 years of the inception. Hopefully that makes sense, okay? So that price target will be right here at about $37, okay? Now there is barriers that the price needs to break above first, of course, to make its way up to that level. It's not going to just, I'm not saying it's not going to, but I don't think it's practical for the price to just kind of, blast off to the upside and it's going to make its way all the way up to $37 in 1 month's time. I don't think that's probably not a smart thing to do. My opinion, of course, maybe it could happen, maybe it won't, right? I'm open to any price volatility in this asset, whether that's to the downside or the upside. I'm just a neutral party who's providing the technical data that I'm seeing on the chart. But I think that's really, it makes a lot of sense, guys. Again, 9-year bullish consolidation. I only have a price target conservatively at about $4.75. This doesn't mean that I'm going to go against my original plan to take profits at $4.75. No, that's not what it means, guys. It means that I'm actually going to, stick to the plan originally, take a small profits at $4.75. My ultimate target is still at about $6.87. But what I've decided to do is keep some of my contracts just in case we're up against a very substantial home run play in this stock, okay? So what I will do is, if I feel that there is some sort of imminent downwards pressure looming in the markets that will likely present itself in the charts when the price comes out, right? Or when the price continues to the upside, if it's going to continue to the upside, whenever I'm seeing some sort of imminent downwards pressure in the market, I will simply hedge against my position, okay? So once I hedge against my position, I won't have to sell my stock into the market. And of course, I can, participate in any price volatility that's going to continue blasting off to the upside, potentially reaching this very interesting level here at about $37. If you guys left a comment in our previous video, we're actually going to go through that towards the end of the video, so stick around for that as well. I think this is really interesting, guys. We can only entertain this if the price breaks above these specific levels. I was able to point out a few other areas of the previous support level, and that's going to be at the price levels. It's still $6, but we're probably going to say it's going to be somewhere around this area here. And this range is going to be up between $6 all the way up to about $16. I know that's a very large range, but I really like the way that the price action it goes. Like, I have a certain way to look at candlesticks and to notice whether or not there has been buying interest in the market as the price goes down. I have a very interesting way of looking at this, and I can clearly see on the charts that there has been some pretty interesting buying activity in this market as the price has gone down. What does that mean? That means the market players who have substantial capital to deploy in markets and just to simply let it sit in the markets and extract their profits from the market later. They already have their positions. They've been positioned in this market ever since 2010, like around this range here, okay? And they've entered the market and they're just waiting for the price to simply return back to the levels where they enter their positions. And that is going to be within this range, guys, above $10 and as high as $37, okay? Now, I still do have a extremely bullish target that we're going to close out here and explain to you, and hopefully that made sense to you guys as far as, you know, the price level, when the time frame when it topped out exactly 20 years ago. We have already verified a 9-year bullish consolidation range, so I think that kind of it makes a lot of sense to me, guys. So leave a thumb down, leave a thumbs up if you agree with that. If you guys are getting bullish MVIS on this MVIS stock, I think that makes a lot of sense, guys, just because of the consolidation range that we all have verified. It has been consolidating for 9 years. It's almost half the time it's been in a downtrend. So, I mean, it makes perfect sense to me. Let me know down in the comment section if I'm way off. I'm totally okay with being wrong, guys. And the last bullish target that I wanted to present to you guys is, let's just say it just so happens to make its way above the $6 barrier, above the $10 barrier, and it just so happens to break above that $37 level. Guys, we're probably in for a target that you're probably not going to believe, so let me just go ahead and reveal that to you right now. MVIS is probably going to try to make a new high, and I'm just going to simply base that off the candle's body. Again, these are 12-month candles. Nobody pays attention to 12-month candles. Well, not a lot of people. And that bullish target could reach a level as high as $273. Now, I know that seems far-fetched. I know that might not play out. I get it. That's actually, let's just see how much of a percentage gain that is from the current levels. Let's take our little ruler out. And it's at about $4. Let's just say it's like $4 in. I can't get it there. Right about there. Sorry, guys. Stick with me here. Nothing's rehearsed. Let's say it's 384. Excuse me. That's a 6,930% move to the upside. Excuse me. Assuming that you bought in at about $3.84. So, I mean, that is sweet. I mean, that's a really nice gainer in the account. I mean, if you guys can appreciate that, then I don't know what you're going to appreciate. But, of course, the price is far away from that level. I mean, this could be like 10, 20 years from now. It could be 6 years from now, guys. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Maybe it's less. Maybe it's more time. This is just something that I wanted to point out to you guys. This $37 level is very interesting. I think that kind of makes like total sense, guys. But let us know down in the comment section. What do you guys think is going to happen? Where do you think the price is going to go in this Microvision stock over the next 5 years? Okay, let us know down in the comment section. And really quickly, let's just go over our previous video where we made the call. And this was posted on December the 12th. Okay, this actually wasn't the official breakout. I think this was just like an update. And the price was probably just over $2 if we just kind of scroll back on that video. You'll notice down in the bottom right hand corner, yeah, so it was like $2.79, but the official video that we posted was posted on December the 1st, just after the official breakout on the monthly candle. And we'll just kind of scroll down and go through the comment section. I think there was actually a commenter who made a comment to say that the price will likely reach like $30. And that's actually, that's pretty interesting because I just found that target at about $37. Trying to look and see where he is. I don't see him there. Oh, yeah, right here. So Rap Money 505, thanks for the comment. It says Microvision is up for sale to the biggest companies. I'm actually expecting no less than $30 a share. Not sure where he's getting his information from, but that kind of seems pretty accurate. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, help us down in the comment section, guys. I'm sorry, Rap Money. Where are you getting your information from? I mean, maybe you got a good source there because I just put out a target. I can't talk today. I just found a target of about $37, so you could be right. Appreciate the comment there. Thank you. Austin, of course, has bought in at about 30 cents ever since March. Man, I know his account's looking sweet. We have Masem, I'm pretty sure I messed that name up. From 370 to 421, I see huge potential because the resistance is broken, as you said it was, Rocket. Thank you for the comment. Guy, MVIS, and LG. He's interested in those stocks. Thank you for the comment. William, thank you. Long-term play. And thank you for all the comments, guys. Carl, James, everyone. Jay, this is a pump and dump. All right, we'll see. Thank you for the comment. Jamar, buying 2022 calls Monday. Thank you. Riddlix, comment. JC, everyone. Phil, thank you, guys. Welcome. Joseph, Clown, Baby. Appreciate all your comments, guys, and engaging in the comment section. Be sure to tune into our next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. We put out a lot of content on the alternative markets as well, so don't miss that. Be sure to be subscribed. Yes, good. Out we go, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolios. Bye for now. And yeah, we're out. Thanks, guys.